In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine torque strut mount on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. We're going to have to remove this plastic cover. To do that, remove the two 10mm nuts and remove the cover. Remove the two 14mm bolts. Remove the bolt and remove the mount. Make sure you do not lose these two pieces. Install the new mount. Be sure that these two rubber pieces go on either side. We'll get this bolt started first. Snug it down. We're going to grab the mount in the front here and we're going to push towards the back. As we push towards the back, get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolts to 47 foot-pounds. If you remove the cover, reinstall it. Snug the two nuts down. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.